Hello students, how are you? I hope you are doing well and ready to study science with me, Miss Penny. The topic today is about what is the pitch of sound.
Keep your spirit up.
Have you ever heard high sound or low sound? Yeah, that's pitch. Pitch is talk about how high or how low the sound is. We can learn from musical instruments. There are 3 types of musical instruments: string instruments, wind instruments, percussion instruments. All musical instruments use their parts to vibrate and produce sound.
The first one, string instruments. Do you know what are some examples of string instruments? Yes, these are some examples of string instruments. When the stretched string pluck, bolt, or struck, they vibrate, producing sounds. Second, wind instruments. Do you know what are some examples of wind instruments? Yes, these are some examples of wind instruments. These instruments have a tube or pipe containing column of air that vibrates. For wind instruments, the sounds are not produced by vibrating the instruments. Sounds are produced by vibrating the air within the column of the instruments. Third, percussion instruments. Do you know what are some examples of percussion instruments? Yes, these are some examples of percussion instruments. Percussion instruments are objects that produce sound when hit, shaken, or rapped.
Okay, that's all our lesson today. Now, please answer these questions to make sure that you understand about this topic. See you next time. Bye!